set me up as a traitor.
You set me up, you used me as bait.
You son of a bitch, you set me up.
Belikov hired me to kill him, used you to set me up.
You're in a lot of trouble, John.
He set me up.
Nick isn't missing, he's hiding. He set you up.
Nick set me up.
Colin fucking set me up. Melissa, the whole thing. I know it.
Just lost my job. She's trying to set me up.
Somebody set me up over here. You better pray you have nothing to do with it.
Duncan.
Don't ever contact me again.
Count Mondego set me up. But I'll not hang for him.
Spent a lot of time in a prison preparing for this.
You set me up.
Oh yeah, set you up, of course.
Why are you doing this to me? I didn't do this to you. You did this to you. You set me up. No, I taught you a lesson.
You set me up.
No, I didn't set you up.
You lied to me.
No, I'm trying to help you. Let me help you.
My landlady keeps trying to set me up with her bridge partner's kids.
You set me up with her already.
I want you to set me up with Giannis.
What has he done to deserve you?
You set me up to fail.
What? You set me up to fail? Why?
If you only do what you can do, you will never be more than you are now.